Okay, we're going to do a science experiment with color today. So some things that you're going to need are a tray, and I covered mine with aluminum foil for easier cleanup, some white coffee filters, some markers, a pencil. I have a scissors, a spoon, or you can use a dropper and a cup of water. So we're going to be making like ornaments, okay? And so the first thing I'm going to do is draw an ornament shape on my papers. Okay, so these are what I drew. I have a couple filters stuck together, and I'm going to cut them out at the same time. Okay, so I cut them out, I separated them, and put them onto the tray. And now we're going to be using our colored markers, and we're going to be drawing like dots or stripes or simple designs, but you can only use 3 colors. So you could use just 1 color, 2 colors, or 3 colors, but no more than 3 because we don't want it to turn black. Okay, so now I have drawn with my markers all different shapes and colors. So in the first 2, I only put 1 color. The next ones I did 2 colors. And on the last 3, I did 3 colors. Okay, so now we're going to take our syringe and you pinch the top, put it in the water and let go, and the water will siphon up into it. And we're just going to drip some water and see what happens. And it's going to get wet. Okay, now if you don't have a syringe, you can use your spoon and just get a little bit and bring it over. So you can see that it's just bleeding through the coffee filter, just spreading out the color. Okay, so now let's see what's going to happen when we have 2 colors. So I have some more water. I've got this one a little wetter so we could see it. Oh, I didn't get any water. Now these are going to have to dry. We can't let them or pick them up right away. Okay, let's try this one. Now my markers weren't washable, and they were still bleeding when I was testing them. So, but I think if you used the washable markers, you're going to see more bleeding than you are with what I have. Okay, so let's try some water on this one. Let's see. Can you see how it went all the way out? All right, let's try. And I did all kinds of marks on here. It doesn't have to be pretty. Okay. Ooh, I like it. All right, so this one I just scribbled. Let's see it bleeding down. Doesn't that look cool? Now I'm going to just go back and look at these. You can see that they're all wet. I wanted to show you something that Mrs. Gogger would think is really cool. We have the yellow and the blue. But do you notice another color that's showing up? Yeah, some green. Yeah. Wonder if I put a little more on. Oop. Now you can really see the green. Yeah. Now this one, I had yellow and orange. Kind of bleeding. Kind of subtle. Ooh. Very cool. Okay, so you can play, ooh, look at that one. Play with the colors and see what you come up with. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to get them to dry. Okay, so I doubled up a paper towel and I pulled them off of the thing. Look at the pretty colors that are left over. Isn't that pretty? Ooh, I just think that's really pretty. And here I put the other ones. And so we'll let them dry overnight. And then you could put a little hole and put some yarn and you could hang them on the tree, or I think which would be more pretty is to hang them in the window. All right, make sure you submit what you tried. If you don't have coffee filters, maybe you could try it with paper towels, because look at that. It's even making something pretty cool on there. All right, show me what you come up with.